In spite of a small unit inside, Lastimosa one-on-one against Distrito, getting the layup, almost got a
hit with the foul. That was his fourth. Nice great, what a move by Jojo Lastimosa.
At si Lastimosa, amun si Cristan. Everybody's there, pero no defense. At doon galit na galit si Norman.
Lastimosa goes baseline, uses the left hand. It's a win.
Jolas.
Kevin Holland, nilabas kay Jolas. Lastimosa with a 3-point shot! At right corner court, lumapit. Jolas, amid the jeers of the crowd. Last Milky, yung kalamangan. Jolas! Yes!
Super one-on-one move by Jojo Lastimosa.
Lastimosa nakalibre. Lastimosa, yes! 92 to 91. Labas ulit kay Jolas, he's open. Lumapit sa loob, subaksak. Jojo Lastimosa scores! At lamang ang alas ka ng isa, 95-94, 1 minute to 19.
Bad luck 13. And of course, for one team, it will be a lot.
The usual score of just one team in the first half.
That's right. Here's